Hello everyone and welcome to part 6 of a multiple video series covering electric circuits focused on electrical quantities. In today's video we are going to be covering sources and loads. So starting with the source-load combination, where a node is a point at which two or more components or devices are connected together, as shown in the schematic shown below, and a branch is a part of a circuit containing only one component, source, or even a device between two nodes. Batteries and wall outlets are electric sources we are usually familiar with to our day-to-day lives. These are voltage sources. An ideal voltage source is one whose terminal voltage is a specified function of time, regardless of the current through the source. The image on the left represents the ideal battery, which has a constant voltage with respect to time. This is known as a DC source, which stands for direct current. The figure on the right is a symbol in time variation for a sinusoidal voltage source. A sinusoidal source is generally termed an AC source because such a voltage source tends to produce an alternating current. The concept of an ideal source, although less familiar but useful as we shall see later, is defined as one whose current is a specified function of time, regardless of the voltage across its terminal. The figures here represent the ideal voltage and current sources. So that concludes today's crash course covering sources and loads. I hope you enjoyed and found something useful in this content. And next video, we are going to be covering waveforms.